Ever wondered how much of your £25,000 salary you actually take home after taxes in the UK? This is a question that's been on many minds lately. Understanding how taxes work is crucial, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. There are different kinds of taxes that chip away at your salary, including income tax, national insurance, and for some, student loan repayments. It's a maze, but don't worry. Stay tuned as we break down these taxes and show you how they affect your £25,000 salary. First, let's tackle the big one, income tax. In the United Kingdom, the tax system operates on a progressive scale. It's not as daunting as it sounds. Promise, here's how it works. Everyone is entitled to a personal allowance, which is the amount of income you can earn before you start paying income tax. As of the tax year 2024 to 2025, this personal allowance is set at £12,570. Anything you earn above this personal allowance, up to £37,700, is taxed at the basic rate of 20%. This is where our £25,000 salary comes in. Let's do a quick calculation. If you subtract the personal allowance from the £25,000, you're left with £12,430. This amount is what's taxable at the basic rate of 20%. So you're looking at an income tax bill of roughly £2,486. Next up, we have national insurance. This isn't exactly a tax, but it's a contribution towards certain state benefits like the state pension and unemployment benefits. National insurance is calculated differently than income tax. For earnings between £9,568 and £50,270, you'll pay 12%. So using our £25,000 salary again, we subtract the lower threshold from our salary, which leaves us with £15,432. Apply the 12% national insurance rate and you're looking at a contribution of around £1,852. Add the income tax and national insurance together and you've got a total of £4,338 coming out of your £25,000 salary. So after income tax and national insurance, what's left from your £25,000 salary? We'll get to that shortly. But wait, there's more. What if you have a student loan? Now, this can be a game changer. In the UK, student loan repayments are income contingent, meaning they're based on how much you earn. There are two types of repayment plans, Plan 1 and Plan 2. Under Plan 1, you start repaying when you earn over £19,895 a year. With Plan 2, the threshold is higher at £27,295 a year. So what does this mean for our £25,000 salary? Well, under Plan 1, you're above the threshold, so you'd pay back 9% of the difference between your salary and the threshold. For Plan 2, you're under the threshold, meaning no repayments yet. But remember, these thresholds are subject to change, so always keep an eye on the current rates. So after income tax, national insurance, and student loan repayments, how much is left of your £25,000 salary? Let's find out. Now, let's put it all together. We've explored the various deductions from your annual salary of £25,000, including income tax, national insurance, and student loan repayments. Now it's time to do the final calculation and determine your actual take-home pay. So you start with your gross salary, that's the full £25,000. From this, you'll need to subtract your income tax, which in this case amounts to approximately £2,000. Next, we consider the national insurance contribution. These are payments made to qualify for certain benefits, including the state pension. The annual national insurance contribution for a salary of £25,000 is about £2,300. Then we factor in the student loan repayments. If you're on Plan 2, which applies to English or Welsh students who started an undergraduate course after September 2012, you're looking at a deduction of about £2,000 annually. So if we subtract these amounts from the initial £25,000, we get a total of £18,700. That's the amount you'll actually take home on a salary of £25,000 before any other personal deductions. Remember, this is a rough estimate, and individual circumstances can affect these figures. For a precise calculation, you should consult with a financial advisor or use an online tax calculator. So there you have it. That's how much of your £25,000 salary you actually take home after taxes in the UK. Did you find this video valuable? If so, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We encourage you to head over to bigpricedrops.com for more contrarian views on economics and practical tips on saving money. Your interaction means a lot to us, so if you found this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends or leave a comment below. Every bit of engagement helps us create better content for you. Remember, every penny counts, so stay informed and make the most of your hard-earned money. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep saving.